So I have this question I'm looking at, and I missed it. So I was wondering why I missed it. That's question 4 of this practice test I'm doing. When I clicked on it, this is the question. The question says, an organization wants to calculate the ROI of a safety incentive program it implemented. The cost of the incentive payouts was $50,000, and the cost of administering the program was $10,000. The decrease in workplace accidents resulted in a benefit of $150,000. What is the ROI? All right. So I had selected 250, but like you saw, the correct answer, it says it's 150. So I checked on CoPilot and I was like, how did they get that 150,000? So on the right hand side, you see CoPilot. I had already plugged in the question that I got from the practice test. And CoPilot says to calculate the return on investment, you can use the formula ROI is equals to net benefit divided by total cost times 100. In this particular wise, start from the denominator to calculate the total cost. You remember that I said that the incentive payout was 50,000 and the cost of administering the program was 10,000. So the combination of the 50,000 and the 10,000 is what makes up the total cost. So that's 60,000. I understand it that far. And then it now wants to calculate the net benefit. Now it says the decrease in workplace accidents. The decrease in workplace accidents resulted in a benefit of 150,000. It's interpreting that as the net benefit is equals to 150,000. So it says net benefit is equals to 150,000, and so the calculation will be ROI is equals to 150,000 as the numerator divided by 60,000 as the denominator, which is our total cost, times 100. ROI is equals to 2.5 times 100, which is equals to 250%. So it says that the ROI of the safety incentive program is 250%, which means that for every dollar spent on the program, the company receives $2.50 in benefits. So 1:2.5. Now, let's look at what ChatGPT says. I plugged in the same into my ChatGPT, the same question and everything into my ChatGPT, and it calculated it this way. So up until the formula is the same. ROI is equals to net benefit divided by total cost times 100. And then it gives me the total cost, the calculation for the total cost, which makes sense. And it's very similar to how the total cost was also calculated on CoPilot. The cost of benefits plus the cost of incentive payouts plus administering the program costs, so which is 60,000. So the denominator, total cost, agreeable, 60,000, ChatGPT and CoPilot. However, the benefit, which is the numerator, ChatGPT sees the net benefit as the total benefit minus the total cost, which is 150 minus 60,000, which is 90,000. And so the numerator here is 90,000. However, the numerator in CoPilot is 150,000. So the calculation for ROI on ChatGPT results in a 1.5 times 100, which is 90,000 divided by 60,000 times 100, which is 150%. Of course, that means that the ROI of safety incentive is $1.50 for every dollar spent. However, on CoPilot it says $2.50 for every dollar spent is our benefit, which is right. So I have 250 here, and I have 150 on ChatGPT, and I have the exact same question here. That's my question. It's my question, no difference, but I got different answers. What do y'all think? My practice test says it's 150,000, which aligns more with ChatGPT, which sort of, when I look at it, aligns more with what it is actually, thinking of it in that sense. However, it could be argued that had it already calculated the net benefit as 150,000, so it had deducted all of the other costs from it, or CoPilot is just wrong. What are your thoughts? I don't know.